Mathematics 6, Quarter 1, Module 5, Dividing Simple Fractions and Mixed Fractions. Competencies: divide simple fraction and mixed number. Solve routine and non-routine problem involving division with or without any of other operations of fractions and mixed fractions using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Word list: divisor, the number that divides the dividend. Dividend, the number to be divided. Example: 10 divided by 5. 10 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor. Reciprocals, a number or quantity that is related to another by the fact that when multiplied together the product is 1. Example: 3/4. What number multiplied to 3/4 equals 1? That is 4/3. Cancel 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Cancel 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1 over 1 times 1 equals 1, or 1 divided by 1 is 1. Reciprocate, interchange or to get the reciprocal. Average, a number regarded as a typical of a group of numbers obtained by adding each member of the group and dividing the total by the number of members. Give the reciprocal of the following: 3/4. The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Number 2, 5/8. The reciprocal is 8/5. Number 3 is 6. The reciprocal is 1/6. Multiply the following: 3/4 times 1/3. Answer: 3/12 or 1/4. Number 2, 5/8 times 6. Answer: 30/8 or 3 3/4. Dividing whole number by a fraction. Problem number 1. 3 cakes are to be divided into 2/3. How many pieces are there? How many cakes are to be divided? There are 3 cakes to be divided. Into how many parts does a cake be divided? Into 2/3 parts. Let us illustrate. 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles represent 3 cakes. Let us divide the whole rectangle into 3 parts to get the 2/3. 2/3. The 3 whole rectangle has been gone into 4 2/3, but there is still remaining parts, which is 1/2 of 2/3. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/2. 4 and 1/2 pieces are there. Let us solve. 3 divided by 2/3. First, rename the whole number as fraction by putting 1 as the denominator. 3 is a whole number. Let us put 1 as the denominator of 3. So 3 now becomes 3 over 1. Number 2, change division to multiplication. So division will be changed to multiplication. Reciprocate or flip the divisor, then multiply. 2/3 has to be a reciprocate or get the reciprocal of 2/3. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Then multiply. 3 times 3 is 9 over 1 times 2 is 2. 9 over 2, simplify if possible. So 9 over 2 or 4 and 1/2. Try this. 6 divided by 3/4. Let us answer. Rename the whole number as a fraction by putting 1 as the denominator. Change division to multiplication. Reciprocate or flip the divisor, then multiply. Simplify if possible. So 6 would become 6 over 1. Change division to multiplication. Reciprocate the divisor. 3/4 will become 4/3. Then multiply. 6 times 4 equals 24 over 1 times 3 equals 3. 24 over 3, simplify. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Dividing fraction by a whole number. Problem number 2. There was 2/3 of Goliath pizza left in the fridge. Joy divided the pizza to her 5 siblings. What part of the pizza did each sibling receive? How much of the Goliath pizza was left? There was 2/3 of Goliath pizza left. How many siblings did Joy have? 5 siblings. Let us solve. 2/3 divided by 5 equals. First, rename the whole number by putting 1 as the denominator. So 5 would become 5 over 1. Change division to multiplication. Reciprocate or flip the divisor, then multiply. The divisor 5 over 1 will become 1/5. Multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2 over 3 times 5 equals 15. Since 2 over 15 is already in the lowest term, no need for us to simplify. The final answer is 2 over 15. Try this. 4/5 divided by 3. Let us solve. Rename the whole number by putting 1 as a denominator. 3 will become 3 over 1. Change division to multiplication. Reciprocate or flip the divisor. Multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4 over 5 times 3 equals 15. Since 4/15 is already in the lowest term, no need for us to simplify. Dividing fraction by fraction. Problem number 3. Melise is busy decorating her Christmas tree with a garland measuring 5/6 meter. If she cuts her garland each measuring 1/8 meter, how many pieces can she make? How long was the garland? 5/6 meter. How long was each piece? 1/8 meter. Let us solve. 5/6 divided by 1/8. Keep the dividend. When we say keep, you need not have to do anything with the dividend. Just keep the dividend. Change division to multiplication. Change. Reciprocate or flip the divisor, then multiply. 8/1. 5 times 8 equals 40. Over 6 times 1 equals 6. Simplify. 40 divided by 6 will give us 6 remainder 4 over 6, 6 and 4/6, or 6 and 2/3. Try this. 3/5 times 2/4. Let us solve. Keep the dividend. Change to multiplication. Flip or reciprocate. Multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12. Over 5 times 2 equals 10. Simplify. 1 and 2, 10. Since 12 divided by 10 is 1, remainder 2 over 10, or still, you can change to lowest term. The fraction is 2/10. Lowest term is 1/5. Dividing mixed number by fraction. Problem number 4. I have 2.5 pounds of hamburger meat. I want to use it to make hamburger that weighs 1/4 pounds each. How many hamburgers can I make? How many pounds of hamburger meat do I have? I have 2.5 pounds of hamburger meat. How many pounds of meat shall I use for each hamburger? 1/4 pound each. Let us solve. 2 and 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals. First, rename mixed number as improper fraction. So 2 and 1/2 will become 5 halves. Keep. Change division to multiplication. Change. Reciprocate or flip divisor, then multiply. 4/1. 5 times 4 equals 20. 2 times 1 equals 2. Simplify. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. The final answer is 10 hamburgers. 4 and 3/10 divided by 2/5. Let us solve. Rename rename the mixed number into improper fraction. 4 and 3/10 will become 43/10. Keep the dividend. Change division to multiplication. Flip the divisor. Multiply. 43 times 5, 215. 10 times 2 is 20. Simplify. 10 and 15 over 20, or 10 and 3/4. Dividing mixed number by mixed number. Problem number 5. Shana is baking a cake. She has 7 1/3 cups of sugar. If each cake requires 2.5 cups of sugar, how many cakes can she bake? How many cups of sugar is required in each cake? 2.5. How many cups of sugar does she have? 7 1/3. Let us solve. 7 1/3 divided by 2 1/2. First, rename mixed numbers as improper fraction. 7 1/3 would become 22/3 divided by 5 halves. Keep. Change. Flip. Multiply. 22 times 2 is equal to 44 over 3 times 5 equals 15. 44 over 15. Simplify. 2 and 14 over 15. Try this. 8 and 3/4 divided by 4 and 1/5. Answer. Change to improper fraction. 8 and 3/4 and 4 and 1/5 would become 35 over 4 and 21 over 5. Keep the dividend. Change to multiplication. Flip the divisor. Then multiply. 35 times 5 equals 175 over 4 times 21 equals 84. 175 divided by 84 will give us 2 and 74, 7 over 84, or 2 and 112. Activities. Performance task, formative test, and reflection be answered asynchronously. Download the slide, rename it with your name, answer, and turn in. At this point, you may now go inside the classroom and answer all the activities posted there. Thank you.